enabling EMS mode is also very straightforward. So from an installation point of view, of course, again, we would recommend to use a DHCP switch, connecting it to the router, to connecting your wall boxes that you want to install, and connecting the EMS system, in this case, to the router. For EMS systems with the Webasto Unite, as said, we are compatible to Modbus TCP EMS systems. Fully validated at the moment is the TQ system, the DM100 TQ system. And we are currently in validation with the Solar Manager, with SolarWatt, and with CleanUp. And we will extend the list of compatible smart meters, of course, as we move along. So here's the schematic again for how to connect or how to set up the EMS system. In this case, of course, we could also mix the charging stations that are connected if all the charging stations that we are using are compatible with the EMS that we are using. So, for example, for the TQ DM100 system, since Unite is compatible and Next is compatible, we could also mix these charging stations in such an installation. The way to set it up basically is here in the web UI. If we go into the web UI and navigate into local load management, into the local load management tab again, we can here select Modbus TCP, which is actually the EMS mode. So we can select this Modbus TCP and click on Save, and then basically the Modbus TCP mode is enabled, and the EMS system can be connected to the wallbox.